So good afternoon, one and all. So in the last session, we have covered the first practical, that is for Caesar cipher. So we have the total 8 experiments are there. So and maximum the 50% experiments are based on the first chapter only. Okay. So whatever the all the algorithms we have studied, Caesar cipher, monoalphabetic, polyalphabetic, Playfair cipher, okay, transposition cipher. Means in short, I can say that substitution cipher and again the transposition cipher. So all the algorithms we are going to implement using C language. Otherwise, you can use the any Java language. No problem for that. If you are going to use the Java language, it is very easy to implement it. Will require the less code here. Okay. So this is the second our experiment, that is the Playfair cipher. So already we are knowing this. What is the Playfair cipher? Okay. What is the Playfair cipher? How it is going to work? Already we know the execution of that. This. So once again, I am going to explain here in short, and after that you have to implement this Playfair cipher algorithm. Okay, and you have to submit your that a program, whatever the link I have provided you. Okay, so I have given the link for the first uh, experiment. The same link you can use here for all the experiments. Okay, so using that link, you have to upload your programs on the drive here. Okay, so the Playfair cipher, just I will go for the brush up here. So not even the large number of keys in a monoalphabetic cipher provides security. Okay, so you can see that directly who has invented this. It has been invented by the Charles Wheatstone in 1854. So now we don't require who has invented here. Now we will focus directly onto the how the logic behind this Playfair cipher. Okay, so in that Playfair cipher, the first of all we need to construct one 5 by 5 matrix here. Okay, so of the letters, and fill in letters of keywords. So whatever the keyword you are going to consider, that keyword we need to write into the 5 by 5 matrix here, and fill the rest of the matrix with the other letters. Okay, here for example we have taken the keyword as monarchy here. No repeated characters are there. Such keywords we need to choose. Okay, and the remaining matrix we need to fill with the other letters. Okay, who are not included in the keyword. This for example using the keyword monarchy here. So we have constructed the 5 by 5 matrix here. See, in the row wise we have written this MONARCHY. After that we have written the remaining letters here B, D, E, F, G. Why we have written the I and J here? Because the Wheatstone has suggested you have to combine the any two letters here, but he has suggested that you can take the I and J as a combined letter here. Okay, you can write the any letters which are the combination here. Okay, there will not be the any a problem here. So the K, L, P, Q, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, this is the key matrix we need to consider for the 5 by 5. And how we are going to have the encryption here? So for the encryption we have the 4 rules here. So based on these 4 rules, see, the first of all I will tell you that suppose whatever the keyword or the any plain text you are going to take, that plain text we are going to divide into the two letters here. Okay, for example suppose you are going to take the balloon. Okay, so the balloon will be written as BALXLOON. So why we written the LL here? because here we have the different same two letters are there. So for the decryption also the same letters will come here. So the hacker easily will find out that which letter is going to replace here. So that immediately he will get the plain text here. So for avoiding this, we are going to write the filler letter here. So the first of all BA is there. So instead of the LL, we are going to write the LX. Next one is the LO and again the ON here. Okay. So in that way, we need to create the a combination of the two letters here. Okay. And after that, we are going to have the encryption. First of all, in the same row and again the same column. And again, the next rule is about whether they are going to appear into the different rows and again the different columns here. Okay. So if both letters fall in the same row, then replace each with the letter to the right, wrapping back to start from end. For example, AR encrypts as RM. Now here we can see that how the AR is going to encrypt here. So the AR is going to appear into the same row here. So the next character for the A is the R and again R is for the M here. Okay. This is the same row here and again the same column. So if both letters fall in the same column, then replace each with the letter below it, again wrapping to top from bottom. For example, MU. So you can take the MU here. So what is the MU? Where is the MU here? So MU is going to appear into the first column here. So here is the M and again here is the U. So for the M it will come as the C and again for the U it will come as the M. Okay. So the ciphertext is the CM. Like that it is there. Otherwise, each letter is replaced by the one in its row in the column of the other letter of the pair. For example, HS encrypts to BP. Now, what happen if the letters they are going to appear into the different rows and different columns? H, yes. Where is the H? Here and again the yes. So for the H will come as the B and again yes will come as the P here. So the decryption letter will come as the BP here. Okay. These are the letters we need to consider for the encryption and again the decryption. So what you have to do here, the first of all we have to construct the 5x5 matrix here. For constructing the 5x5 matrix, we need to take the one keyword. Okay, that keyword we need to write into the row wise, and after that we need to insert all the letters here, remaining letters. So this is your first work, and the second work is that we have to take the input plain text, and that we need to separate it with the two letters here. Okay, and after that we are going to start with the encryption in the first row. Okay, that is in the same row, again in the same column, and again into the different rows and different columns, so that you will get the ciphertext here. Okay, so that we have ample time here up to the 3 p.m. So you have to write the program, you have to execute the program on your machine. Okay, and we have to submit that a program along with output. Okay, whatever the link I am going to provide once again. Okay, I am going to provide the link here in the WhatsApp group here, so you can check the link. Okay, so I'm going to close the here, and if you are having the any doubt, any problem here, just you drop the WhatsApp message here. I'm sitting online here. Okay, so I will be available up to the 3 p.m. no problem for that. And meanwhile you drop your attendance in the chat box here. Okay, I'm going to enable the chat window here.